In this experiment, we are going to see the reaction of copper sulfate with iron and zinc. This is copper sulfate, this is iron, nail, and this is zinc. Here I have prepared the copper sulfate solution. When we add iron nail to the copper sulfate solution, then this is the result which we get. This copper sulfate solution, which was earlier blue in color, it turns green. If you observe the iron nail in it, you will find that reddish brown color copper has deposited on it. Previously, the iron nail was like this. Now, why it has happened? It has happened because iron has displaced copper from copper sulfate, because iron is more reactive than copper. So, this copper is displaced by iron and thus iron sulfate is formed, which is pale green in color, and copper separated out, which is now deposited on iron nail. You can also see it at the bottom of the test tube. In the other type of displacement reaction, the zinc metal, it reacts with copper sulfate solution, and this zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate, and just see, now copper sulfate is not there, instead zinc sulfate is formed, and the color has changed from blue to colorless. Earlier it was blue because of the copper sulfate in it. Now it is colorless because of the formation of zinc sulfate in it. And at the bottom you can see reddish brown color copper separates out in it. So these are the two different kinds of displacement reactions in which a more reactive metal, iron and zinc, displaces copper from copper sulfate.